Gautam, good evening. Send the link in the group, Gautam. Okay, shall we start? Now look here. We started with logarithm. We were discussing about some very important properties of logarithm. Okay, just 1 minute. Fine. Dinesh, good morning, good evening, beta. So we started with some of very important property of logarithm, and logarithm is one of a very important base for any one of the competition exam plus 12th also, because log related questions are coming everywhere. So better we are going to study logarithm from the basic point of view. Now, first very important properties already I have discussed with log. So just I'm going to give a very small recap, and we will be going for questions related to it. Okay. Hello beta. Hello Rashmi. So now look here. So the first thing is that when you are going to take a log, then the most important point means we are going to do the properties. Praneeth, good evening beta. Good evening Praneeth. So first we are going to take any positive real number. Fine. So in the base of the log, see look here, base of the log, if I am writing here a and if I am writing here x. So this is exactly the presentation of the log. Aman. Okay Aman, how are you? Now what we are going to do here is just simple rule, and we will be exactly going towards the competition level questions also. Fine, simple work we are going to do. First base I have taken any positive real number, and x can be rational number. See, x can be rational number means x can be an integer also, x can be rational number, and that can be presenting log. Now you will be saying that okay fine, give me some properties of log, because based on properties only we are going to solve today some of a very important and very what you called easy questions. Okay, now easy questions we will see afterwards, but let's see it is important or not. Now first question itself I am giving to you. Let's see how you are going to solve the question with one first property to you. Okay, now if log 3y equal to x given to you, log 3y equal to x given to you, and log base 2 z is equal to x, these two things are given to you, then 72 to the power x, then 72 to the power x will be equal to what? 72 to the power x is equal to, your options are, now let's see how we are going to handle this question. Okay, put in, you know, I told you na beta, I told you what problem was there now. That problem was so only. So y z cube is there, y z cube is there, y z cube is there, y square z cube is there, y square z cube is there, y cube z square is there, and y cube z cube is there. Now come on, tell me what answer is going to be. What answer is going to be? Now this is your question. A simple question is given to you is log base 3y equal to x given, log base 2z is equal to x given. Both are equal to x. Fine. Now this is the clue for you. Now 72 to the power x is equal to, how much time you are going to take? Option B. Okay. Hey, super. Very good. God bless you, beta. God bless you. Super. Very good. Nice. Now solve this question. Solve this question and see what answer is exactly going to come. Okay, Gautam is telling y square z cube. Y square z cube. Y cube z cube or y square z cube? Gautam is giving the answer y square z cube. Now let's see how, one property now I am going to teach you how to handle log with this property. So now a very important property I think we have discussed. Again one more time I am going to take, if log base a, m is there and it will be equal to z. Now, one very important point is whatever in the base will be there, because log and exponent are inverse function of each other. So, whatever will be present in the base, when we are going to shift log in this side, so this base is going to take this variable or this variable into its power. So, m will be as it is, but this time it is going to take a to the power z. A to the power z, m will be as it is and a will take it to the power z. Okay, this is a very important point, please remember this one. So again, if somebody will be writing, because once you will understand this part now, you will be able to crack this question in no time. Fine. So when 2 will be there, x will be there and z will be there, can anybody tell me what will be the answer for this? Log base 2 log base 2 x equal to z is there, then what answer you are exactly going to get? What answer you are going to get? Come on, quickly tell me what answer you are going to get. Then you will be simply saying that it's an easy one, x will be as it is, 2 will take z into power. 2 will take z into power. 2 will take what? 2 will take z into power. So same thing we are going to do here. Just one small short work we are going to do. Log base 3y equal to x is there. So y will be as it is, 3 to the power x. Now y is equal to 3 to the power x. That's it. Now next work. Log 2z equal to x. Again shortcut. Z will be as it is, 2 to the power x. So now y is equal to 3 to the power x. Absolutely correct, Nasir. Y is equal to 3 to the power x. Y is equal to 3 to the power x and z is equal to 2 to the power x. Now you got x value and y value. Now are you going to do anything here? No, nothing. Now look here. 72 to the power x is written. First find the factor of 72. That is coming as 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. 2 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9 3 3. So exactly 72 to the power x will be written as 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 2 and x will be outside. Now this will be multiplying 2 to the power 3x into 3 to the power 2x. Now the most important thing is here you got the formula of 2 to the power x. So what you are going to do? You will write 2 to the power x, 3 in multiple you can take out, and then here you will write 3 to the power x and then 2 you are going to take out. So now 2 to the power x is nothing but z, so z cube, and here 3 to the power x is nothing but y, so y square. So it is coming as y square z cube. So Gautam, you are absolutely correct. Y square z cube is absolutely correct answer. So this is exactly the way to solve. And who says that competition questions are so tough, this thing, that thing? Once you know the logic behind solving a question, you will very well be able to attempt any level question. What you need is a proper information and proper guidance. I did nothing. From here after, whenever you will see log, only one thing you have to do. If log is there, 2 is there, x is there, 7 is there, then what you are going to do? You will be shifting log this side, then x will be as it is, then this will become 2 to the power 7. That's its story over. This 2 will take 7 as its power. This 2 will take 7 as its power. This is the only small work you have to do. Fine. Now shall we go for next question, please? With some properties we are going to start first. So exactly some properties we have done. Now one last time I am going to repeat the properties, but before repeating the property I am going to give you a very simple question. Let's see how you are going to handle this question. Fine. So now solve this question out. If log base 10a by 2 is equal to log base 10b by 3 equal to log base 10c by 5, then BC will be equal to what? Then BC will be equal to what? Okay. Options are A, B, C, D, A square, A cube, A to the power 4. Try this question out. Try this question out. Let's see how you are going to handle this question. अर्जुन क्या हुआ? आज बहुत शांत है. शुरू हो जाओ यार. शुरू हो जाओ, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन दिया है. log base 10a is there by 2 equal to log base 10b equal to 3 equal to log base 10 log base 10c by 5. So now what you are going to get the answer as bc equal to what? What will be the value of bc? Come on, tell the answer. Tell the answer. What will be the value of bc? Arjun, come on, back up. What will be the value of bc? Quickly say value of bc. It's easy, you will be able to do it. Just what you need is some consistency in solving. Tell me. B, ma'am. Okay, very good, Praneeth. Nice try. Let's see, Praneeth, what is the answer? Huh? Let's check this one out. What answer is going to come? Simple logic here. When this equal to this given, so what we are going to do here in this, we will take it equal to lambda also. Fine. We will take it in equal to lambda. Nitish, what is the answer? Oh, Nitish, hi. Hi Nitish, good evening. Now look here, simple logic, log part, this means whatever is given to us now, we are just making, because this first part, second part, third part, each are equal. So that definitely they should be equal to some constant. So we are just going to make it equal to lambda. Fine, take lambda as some constant. Remember this part out. So take lambda as some constant and then take this one out. So now next work what we are going to do is log 10a by 2 equal to lambda, because this one equal to lambda, we have just assumed that one. So now right now itself I told you one property, but that property we will deal only in one case, when 2 lambda is coming. So first I shifted this 2 on the lambda side, so now 2 lambda is there. Now this 10, we are going to shift the log 10 that part, so it will become a is equal to 10 to the power 2 lambda, that's it. A is coming as what? A is coming as 10 to the power 2 lambda. Same logic we are going to go for this one. So now that is log 10b by 3 equal to lambda. So log 10b equal to 3 lambda. Again it will take this one up. So b will be equal to 10 to the power 3 lambda. So a is equal to 10 to the power 2 lambda. B equal to 10 to the power 3 lambda. Again 10 C equal to 5 lambda. So C is equal to 10 to the power 5 lambda. You got this one. So now one simple thing is that they are asking what is the value of BC. Come on, I think if any one of you go for this priority basis, means what you actually need here. You are needing answer in terms of A. So your focus should be how to convert BC part into in terms of A. Okay. So just simple technique here is, that is you just take BC. What is B? B is 10 to the power 3 lambda. C. So 10 to the power 3 lambda into 10 to the power 5 lambda is there. So you know that when base is same, power is added. So it will become 10 to the power 8 lambda. So when you are getting 10 to the power 8 lambda, now I am just going to take this one out. If I am going to take out, because A is what? A is 10 to the power 2 lambda. So keeping 2 lambda outside, I am just taking 4 out. So now this is nothing but a to the power 4 coming. A to the power 4 is which option? A to the power 4 is which option? A to the power 4 is which option? A to the power 4 is D. A to the power 4 is D. I hope you might have understood what you have to do here. Huh? Come on, quickly tell me. What you have to do here, you have understood? We have not done any big work. See, that equal to this equal to this equal to lambda. In competition and all, you will not be getting time. You will not be able to like sit there and you will think like, okay, fine, what else we have to do. Just you have to quickly think that what should be the disaster management. Disaster management, when you don't need, you don't know how to solve this question. Take it equal to lambda, take this equal to this, and if you know the property, first work is shift 2 towards lambda. 2 lambda is coming, and then to one simple logic right now itself I told you, base a m is equal to x is there, then m is equal to a to the power x. Directly we have just applied that one, and we got a value, we got b value, we got c value, and but we were wanting bc value. So bc value means we wrote b and c multiple, and then we got a to the power 4. I hope you might have understood this one. Shall we go? Very good, Gautam, very good, Praneeth. So shall we go for the next question, please? Okay, shall we go for the next question? Let's see how you are going to handle this question. So log base 4 5 equal to x given. Log base 4 5 equal to x given. and log base 5, 6 equal to y given, then log base 2, 3 will be equal to what? Log base 2, 3 will be equal to what? Your options are 2xy plus 1. Another option is 2xy minus 1. Third option is 2x plus 1. And fourth option is 2y plus 1. Come on, solve this question out. Solve this question out. Let's see which answer you are exactly going to get. Come on, come on. First see what answer can be expecting, what answer we can expect here. Go for it. Try this question out. Two xy minus 1. Very good, Gautam. Let's check this one. Gautam, answer is there or not? Very good. That was very quick and very analyzed question. But we know everything na, ki one property I taught you. That property only I am going to again use. That is log base 4, 5 equal to 1. Then this log 4, if it will shift, then 4 equal to 4 to the power 1 is coming. Oh sorry, x is there na. Here it is x. So it will become 5 is equal to 4 to the power x coming. 5 is equal to, Danish is also telling answer A. Very good, Danish. Let's check this one out better. So log 4 will be taking x power. Now second part is log 5, 6 equal to y. So now 5 will be taking, 6 will be equal to 5 to the power y. So 5 is equal to 4 to the power x. 6 is equal to 5 to the power y. So only one small work is here, because here 5 is equal to 4 to the power x. And 5 is equal to this much is coming. 5 is equal to, see here, connectivity is between these and 2. 5 is equal to 4 to the power x and 5y is there. So shall we substitute the value of 5 from here to here? So it will become 4 to the power x and y is there. So 6 is coming as 2 to the power 2x y. So 6 will be coming as 2 to the power 2xy. Now you know what is the factor of 6? 6 factor is coming as 3 into 2 equal to 2 to the power 2xy. Now I am going to shift this 2 down. So it will come, 3 will be equal to 2 to the power 2xy by 2. Now when this 2 will go up, it will become 3 is equal to 2 to the power 2xy minus 1. And you know that when this 2 will shift down, of this log will be applied. So it will become log of 2 base 3 equal to 2xy minus 1. This will come in base. So it will become 2xy minus 1. Gautam, that's a very super answer. Answer 2B will be the correct answer. Happy Holi, Manish. Happy Holi. Fine. So now look here. So log 2, this one is coming as 2xy minus 1. 2xy minus 1. I hope you might have understood how to solve this question. Fine. Shall we go for the next? So now properties already you know. This one understood, everyone? Come on, quickly tell me. Thank you, Aryan. Okay, Aryan. Thank you so much. Now look here. So here, small work is there. Nothing all. Here, just property of log we have applied. So 4 will come. 5 is equal to 4 to the power x. Now 6 will be equal to 5 to the power y. So now we just started, we just saw one common thing, that is 5 and 5. So just substituted 5 as 4 to the power x. It is coming as 2 to the power xy. 2 went out, then one small work we have done. And here it is exactly coming as 2xy. And then this 2xy, 6 part will be there, then 6 will be written as 3 into 2. So option wise, this question answer is coming this much. Okay. Nasir, how 2 became minus 1? How 2 became minus 1? Okay, Nasir. Nasir, look here. One very small content here, Nasir. That is 3 is equal to 2 to the power 2xy by 2 is there. So now you have to just understand, Nasir, one very important thing. Like if you are writing 5 to the power x and 5 is down, then when this will go up, then the power will exactly go minus. So it will become 5 to the power x into 5 to the power minus 1. When base is same, power is power is added, but since minus 1 is there, so it will become 5x to the power minus 1. So here also same thing will be done. First I shifted this property by using property of log. This 2 exactly kept this one as power. So this work is over. Now this 3 is there. Now first work what I did is this part you want to know na. So first I shifted this 2 down. So now once I shifted this 2 down, 3 will be as it is. Now 2 to the power 2xy into this 2 will go up, it will become minus 1. So it will become 2 to the power 2xy minus 1. And then log has shifted it down. Log has shifted it down. I hope you might have understood that one out. Gautam, understood now? Shall we go for the next question? Some properties of log already you know. The first law of log will be if m and n, law of log. So if you will understand now itself, means higher classes means nothing will be typical in terms of log. Okay. So now m and n are positive integer. M and n are positive integer. So strictly m and n has to be positive integer. So now first law I am just applying. First law of log will be what? Given m and n are positive integer, then how we are exactly going to use the log property? So log base a, mn will be written. Then this mn, after application of log, it will become log base a m plus log base a n. Log base a m plus log base a n. Log base a m plus log base a n. This is exactly one of the property of log. So what is one of the property of log is log base a mn is there, then it will become log base a m plus log base a n. This is the first property of log. This is what? This is the first property of log. Now if somebody will be telling you to generalize it, what is the meaning of generalization here is, now you can write m n o p. So now what will be there? M and OP if you are writing, then it will expand in the same way log AM plus log AN plus log AO plus log AP. So how much will be exactly variable will be multiplied here, all will exactly open in plus term. So this is exactly one of the property of log. So this is first property of log. In terms of multiple we have used first property of log. First property of log. I hope you might have understood this one out. Understood this one out? This is exactly the first property of log. Shall we go for the next second property of log? So just log expansion, if somebody will be giving you like log base e 3x is there, then don't waste your time. Log base e 3 plus log base e x. That's it. We can expand this one out like this. Okay, we can expand this one out like this. Very good, Gautam. Super, Gautam. Absolute beta. So now we are going to go for the next property. Next property again, we are going to take positive integer, and with the help of the positive integer, if we want expansion, like log base a m by n is there, then what you are going to do is expansion, if it will be there, base a will be as it is. It will become log of m. Now log base a n. Fine. Easy one. So log of m by n, what will become? Log of m by n will become log a m minus log a n. Easy method. This is exactly the second law. This is exactly the second law of log. Second law of log. Log base a m by n will be written as log base a m minus log base a n. Now instead of a, because what is a? A is exactly any positive integer. Now if you want to shift any positive integer, and you can write your exponent also, then too no problem. Log base e m by n means log base e m minus log base e n. I hope you might have understood the second property. So the second property, whatever m by n will be there, it will go in subtraction. Base remains the same, base value is distributed, and log base e m minus log base e n. That's it. Don't do overdone here work. It will exactly get spoiled. So this is the second property of log. And after second property of log, I am going to give you one question. Now just think about this question. Think how in competition children are able to solve. Is this type of questions difficult, or it only need one part of your brain? And once you will be start learning solving these questions, now nothing is impossible for you. Now the question is, if x equal to log base 0.1 and 0.001, this is x value, fine, and y is coming as log base 981 is given. Now they are telling that, then very cleverly handle this question. Root under x minus 2 root under y, root under x minus 2 root under y is equal to. So now what they are asking from you? They are exactly asking what will be the answer. 3 minus 2 root 2. Second option, root 3 minus 2. These type of questions are looking like alien language. But once you will learn how to decode it, only one thing you will get it as a gift is competition cracking. Okay. So you have to exactly learn how to handle this type of question. Now tell me, x is given as what? X is given as log 0.1, and here it is exactly in base, it is written as 0.1 and it is written 0.001. 0.001 is given there. 0.001, and that is exactly the value of x. Now one simple property of log I am just going to teach, that is, given log, when log, here m to the power n is there, m to the power n, then this n will come in front of log. So it will become n log, base remains same, m will be exactly there, but only this power part will shift in front. Only this power part will shift in front. This is exactly one of the property. Don't think much about it. This is just one of the property. So now if somebody will be giving you log x to the power 5e, then you have to understand one thing. Everything will be same. This 5 will only go in front. 5 log base ex. 5 log base ex. I hope you might have understood this one. Shall we go for solving the question which exactly is in front of us? The question, big question is waiting for us. Now you might be thinking, ini mini mina mo, anyone to do. But no, it is not. It is a very critical question, and once you will understand the type of the question, now you will solve it in no time. Only 2 crucial steps you need here. Okay, so when you will see a question, you should know how to exactly crack the question first. Just first tell me the option which you feel is correct. Okay, Gautam is going for 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, Gautam. Let's see this is the answer or not, Gautam. Now fine, first work is crack the question. Now we know the property already. I told you the property. That property is log 2 to the power x and base 3 is there. Then this x will come in front. So it will become 2 will be there, 3 will be there. So this is the property, that is exactly the third property of log. This is exactly what? The third law. This comes under third law, and based on this law only this question is there. Fine. So now first work is x equal to this much given. So with much perfection we will try to take as log 0.1. Now here 0.1 can be written as 0.1 to the power, because after decimal means after decimal how many digits is there? 1, 2, 3. So if I am going to shift the decimal this side, then it will become 0.1 and step will be coming as 3. Okay, step will be coming as 3. Only 2 steps I shifted it. Only Gautam, only 2 steps I have shifted it. If you will be seeing this part, only 2 steps I have just shifted it. Now look here. How many steps? Just check this one out. 0.001. If I am going to cancel this one, after digit, how many decimals are there? How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros will go here. So 3 zeros means 0.1 to the power. So it will become 0.1 to the power 3. 0.1 to the power 3. Since 3 zeros are there, so 0.1 to the power 3. And now right now itself I told you this 3 will come here. So x is coming as 3 log of 0.1, base also 0.1. And last class itself, Maheshwal, what's this auntie log competition questions beta? I am teaching log properties, 10 important properties of log for competition. Okay, so now look here. So 0.1 is coming. So now simple property of log I taught, and that is log base m and m means value will become 1. This is what the property I have discussed to you, that whenever you can also be there, Mahesh, just see, it's very important part is there. So x is exactly coming as what? X is coming as 3, and once you are getting x equal to 3, now you just have to get the value, the next important value. X I got 3. Now second point what is given to you is y will be equal to, it is written 981. So we are not going to waste our time. Our just first priority is to go with the question. And let's check this one out. It is coming as log 9, and here 9 to the power 2. So again both are same. So I told you another property number 4. So fourth law of log is, given this 2 base and this one will become same, then answer will come as 1. So here this one will shift, so 2. So now x value is coming as 2 and x value is coming as 3 and y value is coming as 2. Jackpot. Once you got x value as 3 and y value as 2, now your most important step is to crack this one out. That is root under x minus 2 root y. So now root under x minus, so what is x you got? X is 3. 3 minus 2 root 2, root is there. So now very important problem is, after this what we have to do, option nothing is written like that. Here 3 minus 2 root 2 is there, but root is not in the top. Down root 3 minus 2 is there. Here root 2 minus 1 is there. Here root 2 minus 2 is there. That means there must be some method which we are missing. So shall we do one thing? Here 2 root 2 is there and here 3 is there. So first work what I am going to do is, I am going to split 3 as 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2. Now it makes sense. You know, it is making sense. How it is making sense? Root 2 whole square. 2 is nothing but root 2 whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. So it is coming as root 2 minus 1 whole square, and outside root is there. So it is coming as root 2 minus 1. I rest my case. Root 2 minus 1. And once root 2 minus 1 is coming, that means your answer is C. Gautam, I hope you might have understood the steps, what exactly we have taken, how we have solved the question. It's very, very important, and technical steps are there. So whatever rules of log is there, along with the rules of log, if we will be exactly understanding how to implement these things, it will be damn easy for us to understand the other part of mathematics, because log is one very important part which is connected to different fields of mathematics. Fine. So now look here, and log very oftenly we are using log. So now just one third property of log we were using, and continuously we were using this property. What we did, we didn't did any big disaster work. Okay, so just we used the property. What was given there? X equal to log, what was exactly given there? X equal to log 0.1, 0.001. So what we have done here is 0.1. First, I have taken 0.1 part, and I just explained you now ki 0.1 how to take. 0.001, cancel this decimal, 1000 is going down. So if 0.1 I need, here 3 will be coming. 0.1 I need, so that part 3 will be coming. So very simply what I have done, I shifted this 3 down. Now these 2 are coming same, because we know another property of log is log, if base A and A will be same, the value is coming as 1. Only that much work I have done, and I have solved this one, and we got answer as C. That is root 2 minus 1. Much important questions are waiting for us. This is just the beginning part of competition level preparation. Now shall we go for another property? So one property, I think by playing with this question, 2 properties I discussed. One property I discussed is, what was that property? Property was like x to the power 5 is there. This 5 will shift this side. It is coming as 5 log x. Another property was, if base was same, a, then log value will ultimately become 1. Another important property is, if log base A 1 is there, then answer will become 0. If accidentally this place 1 will be there, then its value will be 0. This you must remember. This is another property of log. So whenever you will be seeing like this, log exponent E1. So that means here whatever integer will be there, positive integer, the moment you will be getting this place as 1, the value will come as 0. This you must remember, the value will be coming as 0. Okay, fine. So let's see some very typical questions, because till now we have not discussed any typical question. But before typical question, another important 6th law I am going to teach. What is the 6th law of log? 6th law of log, believe me, these log properties, now it is going to be very helpful for you. So now just another property of log is log base a m will be written now. So we can expand this log, this one. How to expand this one? Now look here, this is base now. I am just applying log m by log a. I expanded it. How I am just expanded it? I just opened it, log m came and base was there na. So here, then you will be saying, auntie, always we are writing log with base. Always we are writing log base e7, like whenever we are writing here, this place base, we are writing either any integer or we are writing exponent. Either any integer or we are writing exponent. But here nothing I have written. Then it is totally up to you which positive integer you are going to take. You can take any positive integer like x here, x here. So it is totally up to you. Or most of the time we are taking any positive integer as a and a. Okay, so like or b or c or c. So other than the value, you can also take any other positive integer. That is also the most important thing. So now just what I said, I am going to do that work. So this log base a m is there. It will also be written as log m will be as it is log a. Means this can open, log m by a, base a is there, so it will become, and here you can write b and here you can write b. So any place in the base you can write any integer there. Fine. So now can you tell me what will be this? Log 7 is there and here we can take 3. Then how I am going to expand this? By property. How I can expand this by property? So now by property, first to log 3 will be coming, then log 7 will be coming. Now log 3, log 7 is there. Now the most important problem coming here is problem for base. So we are going to write it as a and a. So any positive integer we can suppose as the base. We can suppose, so log 7 divided by log 7 will be equal to 1 beta. Log 7 divided by log 7 will be absolutely equal to 1 Mohammed. So when you will be writing like this now Mohammed, base 7 and 7, that means what? It will become log 7 by log 7. And base part now you can write any integer. You can write it here a. So it is coming as 1. It is coming as 1 beta. It is coming as 1. So log e to the power 3 by log e to the power 7. Yes, we can write like that. So here, so this is just one small thing, and one more important thing here is just when log base and this one will be same, I told you already, it will become equal to 1. So in competition and all and in any other questions now, if you know all these logical parts now, so time will not be the most important time. The most important part in any examination is how much time you are utilizing to solve a question. Okay, time factor is a very important one. So right now we are in 6th property. What property I said? Log base am, it can be expanded as log m by log n, but only one log a, but only one thing is that in base you can put anything. So if you want, you can put base e exponent also. Fine, you can put base exponent also. So now another important property in this same part is ki if I don't want to create any change, then you know what, in the moment I am going to take it reciprocal of this one, then now log m will be here, a will be here. Now see the change in the location. Here base a and m is there, here m and a will become. So once we have exactly taken, sorry Prince, I was waiting for you yaar, kahan tha? Log base a is there, m is there. So now once you will be taking reciprocal of it, then the locations will change. You see here m will come in base and a will come in, m will come in base and a will come in par. Okay, so now this is shift. This is exactly what we called as shift. So if somebody will be telling you what will be the shift for 2 and 3, then you will say no problem, no big deal. We can write 3 will go down, 2 will go up. So only reciprocal of it. This is the seventh property. Yes, Gautam, this is exactly the seventh property and a very, very important property, beta. Sixth and seventh property, you can go for this property. Based on this property also, we are going to solve questions. Means the more you will start understanding these properties, now the more it will become very easy for you to handle any level questions. Fine. So my basic idea is to give you first level understanding for log today. Then tomorrow second level questions we are going to solve for log, and then competition questions already mains question we are going to do. No problem Prince. चलो पहले से एक बार वीडियो से previous properties check कर लेना, and we are exactly solving some questions Prince. Okay, so now we are going to solve another question. Tomorrow also class will be there Prince. Be present 9:30. हाँ, be present 9:30. My wish is कि first teach you the basics of log and then give you some very technical and typical IIT questions of log, and then we will be going for another important part of log. Okay. Okay Prince. Okay, tell your friends also. So now look here. So when you are writing log base AB, then it will become 1 by log base BA. Easy. So only one work is there, and that is to practice these type of properties. That will only create a change in you. So now look here, log base PQ is there, and if somebody will tell you to reciprocal of this, then you will just need to write Q will come in base and P will come here. So log QP PQ shift will be there. Now based on this, I'm just going to give you one question. Now this property is, if someone will give you log base AM into log base MA, what will be the value of this? This is just the application of the property. What property I taught you, what that application of this property I want. Log base AM into log base MA, what will be the answer? Absolutely correct Gautam. What will be the answer? Super. Gautam is on fire today. Super. The answer is exactly coming as 1. Why answer will be coming as 1? Why answer will be coming as 1? Because I told you na ki the log will get expanded. So if log base AM is there, then here it will become log M by log A. Okay, you can expand it out like this. Prince, absolutely correct answer. So you can expand it. So simple property here, log M by log A, and here it will become log A by log M. Cancel it out, answer is coming as 1. So now we are going to go for a very important question here. Let's see how technically you are capable of solving this question. I need a very technical approach for this question. Question is, if A and B are positive real number, if A and B are positive real number, if A and B are positive real number other than unity, A and B are positive real number other than unity, then the least value of modulus of log base BA plus log base AB is, options are 0, 1, 2, none of this. Now when this type of questions will be coming, the first thing will be, you will scratch your head and you will think that okay fine, what is they are exactly wanting to know, what they are actually wanting. So think about this. Prince, think about the question. The question looks difficult, but it is exactly not difficult. It needs some part of you. It really need a very important attention from your side. Go for it. Shall I try? Prince, answer is 1. Okay, nice try, Prince. One technical part is there, Prince. Okay, that remember that technical part. That part means whenever that type of questions will be coming now, this type of coming, and beta they are exactly asking the least value. Okay, so two things you have to have a grip on that. First part is कि when they told that कि okay, A and B are positive real numbers. So first thing is that positive real number, we understood, okay, A and B are real numbers. Now the other than unity means it should not be unity, means you cannot take A as 1 and B as 1, because the moment you will be taking A and as 1 and B as 1 na, it will come 1 and 1, and log of 1 is already coming as 0, so answer will automatically fall to 0. Fine. So that is what they are very cleverly telling you, you cannot take unity, means you cannot take value 0, remove 0. Okay, so now once you have removed 0, that means now first work is they both are looking like each other. So now just see this, log one time written base BA plus log base AB. So they are looking technically equal, but one problem is there, the locations of this are changed. So only one small work I have to do, I will keep it as it is and I will find the reciprocal of it. So the moment I will do reciprocal of it, now B will come here and A will come here. Now they both are looking same. Now once they are started looking same, now we are going to suppose, okay, let log base BA equal to x. The moment you will take this one x, now it is coming as x plus 1 by x. Now from here you have to take two cases, because strictly they have told you, you cannot take unity, means you cannot take 1. Okay, and since log is there, so we cannot take 1 exactly. So first work is we are exactly going to take one time we are going to consider two cases of it. One, when x will be greater than 0. So since x will be greater than 0, they strictly told you, you cannot take x value as unity, means 1. So now since x is exactly any rational number or real number, then one part we are exactly going to do is, x cannot be, so here x plus 1 by x. So what will be the minimum value of x you are going to put? If you are going to put here x is greater than 1, strictly greater than 1, so if you are going to put here 0.1, that is coming as 0.1. So 0.1 means it will exactly, this decimal will shift, 10 will come, so it will become 10.1, and 10.1 literally is greater than 0. 10.1 is greater than 0, but in the question they said least value. So we are not supposed to take this type of value, we have to get the least value. Gautam, remember this one. So here whenever x will be exactly greater than 0, then the maximum value what we can take is, it is exactly going to be x plus 1 by x will be maximally greater than or equal to 2. It will be maximally greater or equal to 2. Maximally greater or equal to 2, one part will be coming, I am just removing modulus, with modulus it will become equal. So that means x plus 1 by x, now change of sign will be creating an impact. When x will be exactly greater than 0, then x is greater than 0 means any value we can take, and once we are getting any value, it is strictly greater than or equal to 2, because they have given minimum. Here the case is for minimum. Here absolutely, again I am repeating, the case is for minimum. So here x can be, first case will be coming when x will be exactly coming plus 1 by x. So whatever value of x you take whatever value of x, the minimum value will be exactly, either it will be equal to 2 or it will be greater than 2. Either it will be restricting itself to 2 or greater than 2 beta. This is a very important point to remember. Now next, when x will be less than 0, the moment you are writing x is less than 0, then one small work you have to do is, cannot take any negative number. Now if you are started selecting negative number, then there you have to remember one thing, then again you have to go for the least value. You have to go for the least. Now you can go to the back side and you are going to collect some number. So then it will be means x plus 1 by x, the change of sign will be, it will be definitely be less than equal to 2. So one thing we are seeing from equation 1 and equation 2, that means either x plus 1 by x is coming greater than 2, or this one is coming less than minus 2. Minus 2 I am going to take, because because limit part will be coming less than minus 2. Less than minus 2 means the limiting section is coming between minus 2 to 2. So that means this side and this side. So 100% when we are going to limit it, we are exactly going to take as x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x, and the value will be exactly equal to 2. So either one time less than 2 or one time greater than 2. So now once we are taking the value either less than 2 or greater than 2, then it is exactly going. So the answer will be coming as 2. Answer will be coming as 2. Look here, because in the question itself, Gautam, it has been written, the value will not be unity. Look here, if a and b are positive real number other than unity, means here we are not supposed to take a and b as 1. Okay, so once you are not taking a and b as 1, then 100% beta, the log part is whatever log section is there, you have exactly assumed log a b part as x. Now 100% whatever value of x you are supposed to put, that given in question, very good Prince, and whatever value you are supposed to take, that value should be exactly, first time just any value you take, x greater than 0, any value x greater than 0, but there beta least value they are asking. So least value means we have to be sticked to the basic level, not from the back also and from this. So since least value they are telling, so we have to be somewhere very near to the point. So only I have not considered any other big values, because the moment I will be taking x as 0.2, then what will happen? 0.2 by 1 plus 0.2. Now 0.2 will give you what? This decimal will cut, 10 will come, 5. So it is coming as 0.2 plus 5, it is coming as 5.2. And 5.2 is far more than the content given to us. 5.2 is far more bigger the content given to us. So we will not do this stupidity. We are not going to select that much big value. So now we are exactly going to take 2, 1 by 2, like that value we are going to take. So if x will be taking as any value greater than, so if I am going to take 3, so 3 plus 1 by 3. So now the more value, or maximum if we are going to 2 plus 1 by 2, or if we are going to take 1, then 1 plus 1, maximum value of x if you are going to take, you can take it as 1, or you can take it greater than that, but maximally we are going to take it greater than that. So that means x plus 1 by x will always be either equal to 2 or greater than 2, and then when x will be less than 0, then its value should be exactly coming as less than minus 2, and when we combine them together, we are coming into format that modulus of x plus 1 by x will be exactly having the least value as 2, will be exactly having the least value as 2. So these are some very crucial technical point, and I wanted you all to understand these type of questions, because once you will start solving these type of questions, now you will itself start rocking. Now shall we go for next question, please? Now this question will definitely be giving you some very nice concept. Okay, the question is, if a comma b comma c are positive real number, what they are exactly positive real number, then 1 by log ABC plus 1 by log BC ABC plus 1 by log AC ABC will be equal to what? Will be equal to what? Options are 0, 1, 2, none of this. Come on, try this question out. 0, 1, 2, none of this. Go for this question. You have to apply one very important property of log, and this question will be solved in no time. Just try. Can I start solving, or you want to try this question? Hey, super Prince, pakad liya tum. Super, very good. Super, super. So now only one small work you have to do. Take reciprocal of it, because already we know na ki reciprocal means shift will be there. Very good, Gautam. So reciprocal means shift will be there. So I already told you na ki when log base am will be there, it will become 1 by log base ma. So here 1 by log ABC is written. So there, what is the question given to you? Accordingly, we'll start acting. Now first work is, we are going to take this one, it will get reciprocal, means it will become log ABC will come in base and AB will come here. Then again this one reciprocal part will come, then whatever is here it will come in base. So it will become log again ABC, this time BC is coming, plus log again ABC, and then AC is coming. Now one thing you know, that one property of log I taught you, and that property of log was, this is exactly the property of log, that is log base AM plus log base AN will become log base A MN, log base AM plus log base AN will become log base AMN. So same thing here, all the base is same, ABC, ABC, ABC. So what we are going to do? We are going to take log of ABC common, and this 3 will get this 3 will get multiplied AB into BC into AC. So now it will become log ABC, and this will become A square B square C square. A square B square C square means nothing but it will become ABC whole square. So once you have written ABC whole square, means now again another property of log, this 2 will shift in front, 2 log of ABC. So now both are same, so answer will be coming into bang on, super performance, super. A square B square C square, that's what I want. Really I want this only. Now another very simple property of log is, this property I really want all of you to do base same, absolute beta. Now where another property of log is, if A, so this is exactly going to be the 7th or 8th property of log, fine. Now the property is A, log AN will be equal to N. Log AN will be equal to N. So now how we are going to handle this property, just check this one out. So now if somebody will be telling you x to the power log x y, then answer will be, see this and this is same. I think last class when I was discussing about log, I discussed this point. Absolutely correct, Prince. I discussed this point, beta. Now you tell me, will you be able to tell the answer for this part? Will you be able to tell the answer for this part? This is not a very big deal. Log is there, x is there, log x base is there. It will become equal to y. Absolute correct. It will become equal to y. So this is exactly one of the property. And I think I have discussed already. Nasir, y is the correct answer, beta. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to just solve a question. Simple question is there. Let's see, based on this property only. One simple question is there. So now again one more time I am doing log base A 2 is there. So answer will become directly 2. So now question is, if A is a positive real number, if A is a positive real number, and N is a rational number, okay, now just that is the property I am just telling, and N is the rational number. N is what? Rational number. Then the property says that A log base A n equal to N. So I just wrote about the property. Now we will go for question. Fine, based on this property only you have to solve. Question is easy. Question is, if x equal to 27, y will be equal to log base 3 4 then x to the power y equal to what? First option, second option, third option, fourth option. Now what is 64, 16, 3 by 7, 64, 16, 3 by 7 and 1 by 16. Absolutely correct, Prince. Gautam, absolutely correct. So now solve this question out. X is coming as 27 and y is coming as log base 3, 4 is there. Then what will be the value of x to the power y? What will be the value of x to the power y? What will be the answer for this? Very good, Prince. In no time, Prince has given the answer. Super, beta. Absolute. And by applying the property now, it will be damn easy. Actually, answer will be 64. Absolutely correct. Nasir also has given the answer as 64. Gautam has given the answer 64. Then how can answer be coming as 64? Now look here. Question given to you is x to the power y. So exactly what is x? X is 27. Huh? Now what is y? Y is log base 3, 4. Now only one problem here is 27. If we will find the factor of 27, it will be coming as 3933. So exactly 27 will be written as 3 to the power 3 and here log 3, 4 is there. So now first work is we are going to shift this 3 up of 4. Then only it will become similar to this formula. So now 3, now it is going to come as log base 3, 4 to the power 3. So now we have this and this same, so it will become answer 4 to the power 3. That is 4 into 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So your answer is absolutely correct. So now today we have learned and we have seen some of the questions. Today most of the property, now exactly we have discussed till 7th property, 8, 9, 2 more properties are there, and after 2 more properties we are going to go for a massive, we will be exactly diving inside competition questions. हलवा पूरी कल का क्वेश्चंस देखना हलवा पूरी के साथ, ठीक है. अभी पहले का जो कॉन्सेप्ट का क्वेश्चंस था प्रिंस वो अभी बना लिया. टुमारो इवनिंग अगेन वी आर गोइंग टू गो बट फॉर द नेक्स्ट लेवल क्वेश्चंस बेटा. ओके, गुड नाइट एवरीवन, स्वीट ड्रीम्स. सो जाओ सब, जाओ.